Hello, Mr. Lawrence's math student. Sorry I can't be here today, but I'm taking care of some important business. Hey, I thought we'd have some fun today. We'll try to do what's called a Strimko. Those of you that stayed back from the, what was it called, the Walk for Excellence, last ever Edwards Walk for Excellence, you've had some experience with these Strimkos. Some of you have never seen them before. It's really easy. It's kind of like a Sudoku. Okay, what I'm going to do is I've got a packet for you. I'm going to work through one of them, and then you'll get the idea of how to do another. Now, a Strimko, what is it? Well, it's a math puzzle. It's kind of like a Sudoku. A Sudoku is a little bit different, though. So if you look, you see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles in a row. Yes? That means I need to fill in the numbers 1 through 5 in that row. Okay? Now I also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a column. I have to fill in numbers 1 through 5 in that column. But the unique thing about the Strimko is there's also chains. You see, there's a chain here, right? That's a chain. I have to fill in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in those circles. Now, had there been 4 circles in each of the row, columns, and chains, I'd only fill in 1 through 4. If there had been 7 circles, I'd fill in 1 through 7. All right, so let's see how to do this. Well, the best way to work on this is process of elimination. Like, for example, if I look here, okay, I see that this number could not be a 1. Why not? Because there's a 1 in the same column as it. It could not be a 2 because there's a 2 in the same column. Can't be a 3 because there's a 3 in the same row. And it can't be a 4. Well, since it can't be 1, 2, 3, or 4, that means it has to be a 5. There's no other option. Okay? Now, not all of them will be that simple. If I look up here, this spot here, okay, could it be a 1? Maybe. It could be a 1. Can't be a 2 because of that one. It could be a 3. Might be a 4. Can't be a 4 because of the column. Can't be a 5 because of the chain. I'm not going to guess. Guessing would be a foolish thing to do. Some of you go, well, I'll just guess and write it in. You're going to get it wrong. Okay, how do you know if you're getting it wrong? You'll know what you're wrong if you end up with a repeated number in the same row, column, or chain. For example, if I put a 5 here, I know it's wrong because there's a 5 already in that chain. That could not be. All right. Similarly, if I put a 3 there, that would be wrong because a 3 cannot go there. There's a 3 already in that column. So I have to make sure I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in each row, column, and chain, and make sure I don't repeat any of them. All right. Well, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 there was pretty obvious, but I don't know about others. Let me see here. Maybe this one will help. Can it be a 1? Nope, it can't, because see the chain? Here, let me get my highlighter out. All right, I'll highlight this in green. This chain goes like this. You see, it's kind of an oddly shaped chain, but that doesn't matter. It's still a chain, and therefore there can't be a 1 here because there's a 1 there. Could it be a 2? No, because of the column. Could it be a 3? I'm not sure. It might be able to. Could it be a 4? No. Could it be a 5? Right now, I don't know if it's a 5. It's a possibility. All right. Let me come over here and look at this one. Well, could it be a 1? Yeah, it could be. Can't be a 2. Can't be a 3. Could be a 4. Can't be a 5. Okay. And lastly, I've got this one might be a 1, right? No problem with the 1s. Could be a 2. Nope, can't be a 2. Could be a 3. Yep, could be a 3. Could be a 4. I don't see any contradiction with a 4. But if you look here across the top, there's only one place that the 5 can go. You see it? Right there. That's the only circle that has a possibility of being a 5. Therefore, it must be a 5. So I'm going to put a 5 there. Okay. Now the rest of these I'm not sure about because I got 1, 3, I got 1, 4, I got 1, 3, 4. So I honestly don't know. Guessing would be a foolish thing to do. All right. Well, I'm going to come down here to this area. And so there's some logical reasoning that has to take place. Now, I've given you many different Strimkos, so you can try to figure out the one you want to start with. They're all different sizes. So let's see here. I'm going to highlight this chain this way. Right? Okay, because I'm going to try to figure this one out, if I can. Maybe it won't tell me the exact answer, but it'll give me some important information. So could it be a 1? Yes, I think it could be a 1. Could it be a 2? I think so. I don't see any problems with a 2. It can't be a 3, 4, or 5. So it's either a 1 or a 2. Okay, how about this one? No, I don't think it tells me anything. It's either a 1 or a 2. Okay, I don't know yet. So I'm going to try another one. I'm going to try to fill out the ones that have the most information about them, if possible. This one here, could it be a 1? No. Could it be a 2? It could. It could be a 3. It can't be a 4 or a 5 because of the chain. This one here, could it be a 1? Yes. Could it be a 2? Yes. Could it be a 3? It could. But it can't be a 4 or a 5. Okay. Well, I think I know what this one is. This one's not allowed to be a 4, is it? Because of that. This one can't be a 4 because of the chain. This one can't be a 4 because of the chain. That forces this one to be a 4. Because I have to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in each row, column, and chain. And there's no possibility of these 3 being a 4. That one has to be by default. Okay, yeah, it's a bit of a slow process. Yeah, it takes a little bit of perseverance. And again, you can start with the easier puzzles first. The less circles, generally speaking, the easier they will be. Let me see here if I can make this a little bit smaller. It's annoying me that it's a little bit too big. All right, so let me do that. Oh no, it messed up all my markings. No, not all of them, just some of them. So I'll move them back into place. Ooh, that was nice how they moved together. All right. That's a little bit better. Okay, so let me see what other possibilities can I fill out. Well, let me come say this one. Can't be a 1. Can't be a 2. Might be a 3. Might be a 4. Okay, and I think that's also true. Oh, wait a second, let's see here. My 4 moved out of place. Oh, wait a minute. Nope, might be a 4. Thought I was onto something. I'm not. Get my highlighter. Do my chain. So that one, that. As you can tell, I'm very visual in my approach to this. Makes sense. Let's see. So this chain here goes like this, and then I think all my chains are accounted for, so I won't have to highlight anymore, although I can fix some highlighting like that. All right, so let's see what other possibilities there are. Okay, this one here can't be a 1. Could it be a 2? It sure could. Could it be a 3? Maybe, yeah. Can't be a 4. Could be a 5. Okay. Let's see here. This one can't be a 1. Might be a 2. Can't be a 3. Might be a 4. Might be a 5. Not really telling me much, is it? Okay. This one here can't be a 1. Could be a 2. Can't be a 3 because of the chain. Could be a 4 or a 5. All right, how about this one? Well, that's not really telling me much. Let me drop down to this one. This one can't be a 1. Can't be a 2. Can't be a 4. Can't be a 5. This one has to be a 3. You see that? Because I have to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in each row, column, and chain. Well, it can't be a 1 because of that guy. Can't be a 1 because of that 2. Can't be a 4 because of that chain or row, whichever you prefer. Can't be a 5 because of him. So that forces it to be a 3, which means that can't be a 3, which forces that to be a 4. Now, since that's a 4, this one can't be. Okay. Yeah, there we go. All right. Let's see, what else can I figure out here? Let's see. I'd like to move these numbers back up so I can see them a little bit better. Okay. Here we go. How about this one? Might be a 1, might be a 2, can't be a 3, 4. It certainly could be a 5. Okay. How about this one? Might be a 1, might be a 2, can't be a 3, can't be a 4, can be a 5. All right, let's see. 1, 2, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 5. Did you hear that? 1, 2, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 5. There's only one place the 3 can go. The 3 has to go here, because that's the only one that had a 3 there. Now, if that's a 3, this one can't be a 3. It forces it to be a 2. This one can't be a 3, forcing it to be a 1. If this one's a 1, this one can't be. The only choice is 4. And this one can't be a 1, can't be a 4, so therefore I must have a 3. Now over here, this one can't be a 2 because of that, forcing it to be a 1. This one can't be a 1 or a 2, forcing it to be a 3. See, all of a sudden it's starting to fall apart. The trick is keeping organized on everything. All right, so let me see here. This one, 1, blank, 3, 4, 5. This one has to be a 2. No question about it. This one can't be a 2 now. All right, that one can't be a 2. Oh, look, there's only one possibility there. This has to be a 5. If this is 1, 2, 3, blank 5, we must have a 4 there. And see how it starts to get real easy? At this point, it starts to fall apart nicely. Okay, so let me see here. This chain, 1, 3, 4, 5, this has to be a 2. No doubt about it. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, we must have a 1 there. Okay, this one here can't be a 1 because of the chain, can't be a 2 because of the row, can't be a 3 because of the chain, can't be a 4 because of the chain. There's only one possibility. That must be a 5, and that forces this one to be a 2. Almost done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 2, 3, 4, 5. This must be a 1. Now I'll give a quick glance and make sure I haven't made any mistakes. Make sure that each row, column, and chain go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first I'll do the columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the columns are all good. Let's check the rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5, 4. Okay, let's check the chains. Green chain, 5, 4. 2, 3, 1. Yeah, that's all 5. Yellow chain, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 4, 3. Blue chain, 3, 2, 4, 5, 1. Are you hearing me repeat the number within the chain? 3, 2, 4, 5, 1. I only said 5 one time. This light blue chain, 5, 4, 2, 3, 1. Purple chain, 1, 3, 5, 4, 2. There you go. I'm convinced this is very well done. Okay, that is it for the video. The sub will have handed out your packet, and so now you can go ahead and try them on your own. If the behavior is good, the sub might let you work together. If not, you can try it on your own. Mr. Lawrence saying, good night, everybody. Have a great long weekend. Bye-bye.